All right, guys, we are going to change our fuel water separator on our little boat Priscilla. I got Thomas here going to help me out, and I've got a QR code to subscribe on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the smash that button. Guys, over here we've got a fuel water separator that the fuel goes from the tank to the fuel water separator, takes out any water particles that might be in our gas tank and holds them there. So you're supposed to change these out once a year. We're gonna go ahead and change that out. And it's not a difficult thing, but we're gonna go ahead and do that and show you how to do it real quick. So first thing you need is one of these things here. It helps you actually turn that thing without stripping the threads. Sometimes if there's rust, if there's some corrosion, it helps to have a little bit of grip to twist it, right? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get in there. Sorry, the boat's a little dirty, guys. But you wrap it around. Oh, it came off pretty easy. So it didn't look like it was too corroded. So what do? You squeeze?
Yeah, so if you just put it on here, and as I turn this,
Yeah.
it's turning that.
It catches.
Yep.
It clamps down.
That was getting tighter.
Oh, you're going the wrong way?
I guess.
Yeah, that looks...
Okay. So yeah, if it's spinning, you can just put your finger down here until it catches. Keep on going.
You're gonna want to put some paper towel.
It should
Is that
be
fuel?
just water.
Oh, that's just... It should be fuel.
Oh, it's in the boat now.
That's all right. That's all right. Yeah, get some paper towel underneath there. I'm gonna drop some paper towel underneath there to catch the fuel. Bingo.
Okay. It's fuel, full of fuel.
Full of fuel?
Just don't want to spill it.
Yep, that's fine. So now, okay, I'll take the dirty one from you, and we're gonna go ahead and dispose of this in a proper way. I'll show you what we're doing with that. We've got this little jug. This is full of our motor oil and whatnot that we are gonna take to a auto parts store, and we're gonna dispose of this fuel in the same manner. Fuel's probably good, but we're not gonna chance it. So now you take a milk jug and take instead of dumping it on the ground, which a lot of people do, you're not supposed to do that. Now we can dispose of this, but we'll take this to an auto parts store and they'll dispose of it the proper way so we're not adding to pollution. So next,
This is our new one. Nice and clean.
yes,
Looking good.
nice and clean.
Okay, so we're just gonna go right back.
Yep.
Make sure you're on there.
And there's like a little threaded knob nipple in the middle, right? Where
Yep,
it just spins.
that's where it screws on.
Screws on.
So I'm pretty tight right there. I'm hand tight. And it doesn't go on there very tight. You guys saw how easy it came off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide this back on. Let it grip. Boom. We're in there.
We're in there, huh?
Yep.
Okay. And it looks like there's a little thing you can write the date that you changed it, when did you replace it, and the hours, the engine hours. And so you can do that if you want, but it's a pretty inexpensive piece. Got the cost here down below. And now that pretty much does it, guys. We'll fill up the engine. In fact, let's go ahead and pump this here, make sure that no gas spills out the side, right? Because that wouldn't be good. Because now when we're pumping the gas here, it's getting pumped into the fuel water separator, And then once that thing fills up, all right, it's starting to get firm. It's starting to get firm. As long as there's no fuel spilling outside there, we're good. No, it's this thing is firm. And I also want to check our fuel. Let me lock this up. Make sure, because we changed this out too. We want to make sure there's no fuel.
That's good. We got fuel in there.
We got fuel in there. Yeah, let me pump this more. Just make sure there's no fuel spilling out that thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, go ahead and turn the water on, Thomas. Okay. We're peeing. And now we're going to start up. And we're gonna check and make sure no fuel comes out. Make sure she doesn't stall. All right, guys, the motor's peeing like a kitten. Thomas, thanks so much for helping.
Of course.
Fuel water separator looks like it's doing its job. We got fuel going through the fuel water separator. It's going through our fuel filter, which we also changed, and our service is well underway. That was a nice quick one, guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of beach fishing here in South Florida. Thomas, thanks so much, brother.
Of course.
Appreciate you. Let's get tight. God bless. Take care. Watch your lip.